Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can dissolve edge like this one. So tap in edit mode and select the edge you will want to delete, and now just select it and press Alt when you select it. So you can select the entire edge, and yeah, when you press Alt, you hold and then you go and select one, you'll, yeah, select the entire. So what you have to do now, just press X on your keyboard and then select here dissolve edge, and now you delete the edge. And now if you press hold Alt and select this one or even the other one, um, press X and you press edge here, delete edge, you will do this. So please select dissolve edge. I hope this short tutorial saved you time. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if you have any questions or suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. I really appreciate that. Thank you.